Little storyteller.
Lily and Tom were twins who loved adventures. They had a special time machine that looked like a big, shiny toy box. One sunny morning, they decided to visit the time of the dinosaurs. The fluffy bunny, their favorite toy, came too, tucked safely in Lily's backpack. With a whir and a pop, the toy box time machine landed in a lush green forest. Giant ferns tickled their noses, and the air smelled warm and earthy. They saw a group of small dinosaurs with bright, curious eyes. These were the raptors. Their feathers were a mix of sunny yellow and forest green. Lily and Tom wanted to show the raptors something amazing: how to make fire. Tom carefully gathered some dry sticks, and Lily showed a smooth, round stone she had brought. "See," she said to a little blue raptor with big, round eyes. "We rub these together, like this." Tom started rubbing the stick against the stone. Soon tiny glowing sparks flew into the air. The raptor's eyes widened, but instead of looking at the sticks, they started chasing the sparkly dots. They leaped and giggled, trying to catch the fleeting lights. Lily and Tom laughed. The raptors were having so much fun with the little sparks. They realized that sometimes the unexpected things can be the most joyful. Even though the dinosaurs didn't learn about making fire that day, they all enjoyed the sparkly game together. It was time for Lily and Tom to go home. They waved goodbye to their new raptor friends. Back in their own time, they remembered the fun they had. Tom smiled. "You know," he said to Lily, "even if things don't go exactly as planned, you can still have a great time." Lily nodded, hugging the fluffy bunny. Sometimes just having fun together is the best adventure of all.
Please subscribe. Thank you.